Today's 5-minute workout is simply about mobility. This is about mobilising your entire body. So it's actually a really lovely workout that you could do every single morning so you can look after your joint health. It's all standing. You can do it in your pyjamas. You don't even need to do it in workout gear. We are going to mobilise from the top all the way down to the bottom. So if you're ready, let's get started. So this part's only going to take about 25 seconds. We're just going to do a little bit of warming up and mobility, so just follow along. We're just going to start with just doing these gentle little side toe taps, and this is really just warming up your body. So just follow along, and then just give me a little hamstring curl. Just draw the arms back. So we're just preparing your body for your mobility workout. All right, now just reach your arms up. That's good, and it's always good to just do a quick little warm up before we actually start the workout, so we're just preparing your body for it. So we're going to start now with doing your mobility, the workout. So for the first move, we're going to have knees bent, your tummy is pulled in tight, have your shoulders pulled back, and now just look from one side, come to the center, then the other. Then take your head down, then come up, and just keep going. So you're going from one side, take the head down and up. Just go from one side to the other, take your head down and then come up. Keep it nice and controlled. So we're doing 4 points. So we go from side to side, down and up. So next move now, just have your arms out wide and then kind of cuddle. So just imagine you're giving a cuddle, then you're opening out wide. So we're just going to keep going. So this one here, we stretch through the back, but it's really lovely mobility through the upper body, and really open out your arms as wide as you can. So you can see for your reference on the right, that timer bar represents how long we're doing each mobility move. Open that out wide and nice control. So next move from there, just swing those arms and just let them feel nice and loose and free, and just enjoy the movement. So this routine isn't about getting your heart rate up, it's simply just about mobilizing through your joints. We've done through the neck, through the head, we're now doing the upper body, doing the arms and the shoulders. All right, so your next one, this time now, just do a little bit of a twist. Let the arms hang freely, keep your hips still, and we're just twisting from side to side. And the idea is you could do this mobility workout every day. You'll become familiar with the moves and the flow of the routine. So next move now, feet hip width distance apart. Just reach from one side down to the other. So you're just working a bit of mobility more through your trunk, through the waist and through the core. That's good. And just reaching that. Make sure your knees are slightly bent for me. And each time you do this, you'll probably find that you're increasing your flexibility because you're becoming more mobile. That's good. And we're doing this lateral move from one side to the other. All right, so from there now, next move we're going to do is we're going to now work through the legs. So point one foot in front, side and behind. Bring it in front, side, behind. In front, side and behind. That's good. Keeping that going. And point in front, side and behind. So this one here is working hip mobility. Take it to the opposite leg for me. Point in front, side and behind. That's good. Again, keep that knee soft. Also focus on keeping your core muscles pulled in nice and tight for me. And make that move as big as you can. So for your next move, this time now, draw the knee up and you're just going to do 3 little kicks for me. Take it down, knee up, 3 little kicks and back down. So you're just kind of extending from the knee. So what I'm doing now, I'm mobilizing a little bit through your hip joint, but I'm really working through your knee joint. This is a really lovely way to strengthen through those knees. So for your next move now, come up onto your tiptoes and just give me a little bicep curl. Good. So as I said, this is just about mobilizing your joints. This is for joint health, so you can do this as often as you want. These are really safe body weight exercises. And well done. And then the final one we've got is simply just doing these lovely full body mobility moves. So it's a step with a sunshine arm. Remember, these are from my 5-minute series. I have so many different areas you can work. I'll leave at the end of the video, I'll leave a playlist with all of the 5-minute ones on. And that is now your workout complete. And remember, you've just invested in your future health. So well done, you did it. There is your high five, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.